Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and purchase NASA's Kennedy Space Center Visitor Complex tickets online. This is a very simple thing to do, and if you want to skip all the annoying queues and long wait times, you can purchase the tickets using the first link you're going to see right here down in the description of this video. Once you open up that link, it's going to take you to the official tickets page right here, from where we can get started. You can click the check availability option to take a look at all the available dates for purchasing your tickets. So just select whichever date you prefer, let's say the 11th right here, and now you're going to go and be able to take a look at the tickets that are available. You're going to have the adult tickets, children, and so on. You can select whichever one you prefer. So let's say this one right here, and then we can go to the next page to upgrade our experience. It's going to show us the experiences page where you can see similar ones where you can save money on. If you're not interested, you can just go and click next. You go to the personal details page, and now we can get started. So here you're going to go ahead and fill out all your personal info, such as first name, last name, email address, and your phone number. And now we can get started making the payments by going to the payment page. So go to the payment page, and it's going to open up this new menu from where we can get started making your payment methods. Choose whichever one you prefer the most, such as your Apple Pay, debit and credit card, or PayPal. Let's say we want to use debit and credit card. This is going to enable us to fill out all our info. So once you fill out your info, you are going to be able to click the pay button and make the purchase successfully. So once you've done so, your tickets are going to arrive on your email address that you have used for registering your account on this platform and that you have provided in your personal details. And there you have it. So go to the description of this video, find the first link you see, and it's going to take you to this page to get started with your tickets. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.